In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in Wrike. If you've been looking for a straightforward way to efficiently manage your team's workflow and keep everyone on track, this guide is for you. Assigning tasks doesn't just help you delegate responsibilities, but also enhances collaboration and productivity across your projects. First things first, you need to log into your Wrike account, head over to the Wrike website, and at the top right corner you'll see the login button. Click on it to proceed. For those of you already logged into other services, one of the quickest ways to log in is by using your Google account. Simply click on the Google option and choose your account from the list. This feature not only speeds up the login process, but also keeps your workspace secure and organized, leveraging the power of single sign-on. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate through your dashboard to find the task item you want to assign. This can usually be found under the relevant project or folder, so head over there and click on the specific task. Clicking on your task item will open up a detailed view where you can manage all aspects of the task. Now let's focus on assigning the task. In the task view, look for the assignee section. This is typically located just beneath the task title or in a pane on the right side of the window. Click on assignee and a list of team members will appear. Here you have the flexibility to assign the task to any member currently associated with your project. Simply find their name in the list and click on it to assign them to the task. If the person you wish to assign the task to isn't currently part of your project, Wrike makes it easy for you to invite them. Within the assignee section, usually at the bottom of the list, there's an option to invite by email. Enter their email address and they'll receive an invite to join your project in Wrike. This is particularly useful for onboarding new team members or collaborating with external partners quickly and efficiently. After making your selection, you'll see the assignee's name appear under the task, confirming they are now responsible for it. Assigning tasks is crucial for keeping everyone aware of their responsibilities and ensuring a smooth workflow. This not only prevents confusion but also helps in monitoring the progression of tasks throughout the project. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to assign tasks in Wrike. By following these steps, you can enhance your project management capabilities and ensure that your team operates as a well-coordinated machine. Thanks for watching and happy task assigning.